How to prepare raw kale. Welcome to our cooking guide. Today, we're diving into the world of kale, specifically, how to prepare raw kale. First things first, select fresh, dark green kale. Look for firm, unwilted leaves for the best results. Next, thoroughly wash your kale under cold water. This removes any dirt and potential pesticides, ensuring a clean, fresh taste. Now, let's tackle the stem. It's quite tough, so we'll need to remove it. Simply hold the stem and strip the leafy part away. Once you have your destemmed leaves, it's time to chop. You can cut your kale into thin ribbons or rough chunks, depending on your preference. Now comes the fun part, massaging your kale. Yes, you heard it right. Rubbing the leaves for a few minutes softens them, making them more palatable. Drizzle some olive oil over your kale. This helps in the massaging process and adds a delicious flavor to your salad. Don't forget to add a sprinkle of salt. Not only does it enhance the taste, but it also aids in the massaging process, further softening the leaves. Finally, add your favorite salad ingredients. Whether you love cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, or even some feta cheese, the sky's the limit. And there you have it, a perfectly prepared raw kale salad. A simple, nutritious dish that's as tasty as it is healthy. Enjoy your meal. Like and subscribe for more videos. Remember to share this video on WhatsApp and other social media platforms.